Tonight's the big Halloween festival. Let's make this farm glow like never before.
The decorations if they're delicious.
Every paw and hoof helps. Teamwork makes fun bigger, doesn't it?
Look at this scary face I painted. And look at my glittery one. This hat looks perfect on mine.
See, Chika? The tension here allows the web to hold its shape. It's all about distributing the force evenly across the strands.
Morning, little ones. Just remember, folks, don't go near the old barn after sunset.
Oink! Why is it haunted?
Maybe. Or maybe it's just the wind playing tricks in the old timbers. There are things in that barn best left undisturbed. We must remain vigilant.
But Ben, sound is just air moving, not magic.
Fear only wins if we stop thinking.
Wow, look at all the pumpkins! I want to go on the hayride first. This is the best Halloween ever! Look, it's Rex. He has a pumpkin bandana and a light on his head. He's so cute!
Welcome, welcome, everyone! The guests of honor have arrived. Prepare for a night of spooky fun. Emergency! Breaking news! More festive guests detected! Wow, that is a lot of candy corn!